So today I'm announcing renewal of a project that I've been engaged in before. It's based on the first foundational principle of my Guru Maharaj's movement that he established in 1966, and is propagating spiritual principles to correct the imbalance of values and to bring peace and unity. The time is ready, people are ready, and the materials are ready. I've got one book ready now, the book that I've been working on for 35 years, Spirit for Sure. It proves that spirit's a reality, spirituality is a real way of living, and the ultimate basis of life is spiritual synergy, spirit-based synergy. Of course, there are so many other people, so many other devotees who have brilliant resources, brilliant capabilities. It's just a question of us coming together and working together, making a cooperative effort. So why am I making the video? Well, why do you think? To invite you to take part in the project if you feel inspired to do so. I finally realized, quite recently, a few months ago, that I'm really a conscious, spiritual paradigm shifter. And I want to meet with and be with and work with other conscious, spiritual paradigm shifters who want to make a positive difference in the world at this crucial period in history. There are so many ways of getting involved in this project. Making videos like this, filming, editing video, writing scripts, writing books, writing articles, designing and producing and presenting education online and face-to-face, graphic design, illustrating and drama, presenting these ideas and principles in a way that grabs the imagination. Making web pages, making websites, making music, writing songs, organizing events, either virtual events or face-to-face events, offering financial support and assistance, advertising, marketing, keeping in touch with people, finding out who are the other conscious spiritual paradigm shifters, the spiritual shakers and movers that we can get in touch with, collaborate with. Srila Prabhupada said that Krishna, in the form of the Krishna consciousness movement, will save the world. And this foundational, basic, first purpose, education, is a really important part of the Krishna consciousness movement. So, if you'd like to be a part of this game-changing project, click the link which is either above or below this video, and I will get back to you. It's for real. It's going to happen. It's going to work. We're going to make a huge positive change, a huge positive difference. I really want to be with you, associate with you, work with you, share with you. So please take part. Like the video, share, and add a comment, and I will get back to you. Thank you. Hare Krishna.